Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add shipping on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to settings and select shipping and delivery, and here you will find your general shipping. So I'm going to adding shipping rates to general, so I'm clicking on manage. So here you can see shipping to, one is Japan and another is rest of world. So I'm going to changing the shipping rate for Japan, so I'm clicking on add rate, and you can select set up your own rates, or you can select use carrier or app to calculate rates. I'm going to selecting first option and rate name. Enter here your rate name and now enter your shipping rates here, and you can add conditions by clicking here and then click on done. So here you can see the shipping has been added here, and the same way we can add rest of world shipping rate. So click on add rate and select the option, give here rate name and give here the amount and click on done, and then click on save. So this was how we can add shipping on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.